On paper, the Vivo V40 looks like a serious contender, with its size-tuned camera, a gorgeous AMOLED display, and a powerhouse battery. But the big question is, can it hold its own against the fierce competition in the price range? Priced at $489, the V40 sits firmly in the mid-range market where many strong contenders are fighting for attention. Let's see if the V40 stands out where it counts. For unboxing, the V40 is simple and practical. Inside the box, you get a clear case that protects the phone, while still showing its design. You'll find an 80-watt fast charger to power up this device quickly, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, a SIM injector tool for easy setup, and some quick start documentation. For the display, the V40 comes with a stunning 6.7-inch curved AMOLED screen, offering you rich, vibrant colors that make content incredibly vivid and immersive. It peaks at 4,500 nits. It's among one of the brightest displays in the market, far exceeding flagship devices like the Samsung S24 Ultra, which has 2,600 nits, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has 2,000 nits. This high brightness makes the V40 perfect for outdoor use, even in direct sunlight. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you get smooth and fluid scrolling, whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos. Additionally, the display has HDR10 Plus certification, ensuring deep contrast and more realistic visuals, so your photos, videos, and games will look absolutely good. For the design, you get a sleek and slim build, making it comfortable to hold and easy to slip into your pocket. Weighing about 190 grams, it feels light but solid in the hand. The phone features a premium glass front and back with sturdy plastic frame, giving it polished look without compromising durability. It supports dual SIM with an option for eSIM, but this particular variant I have doesn't have eSIM. It offers you flexibility with connectivity options. Additionally, you get IP68 and IP69 rating. This device is dust and water resistant. You can immerse in water for 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, so it's well protected against water or any accident. For software, the V40 offers a smooth and user-friendly software experience. Running on the latest version of Phone OS, Vivo's custom skin layered on Android 14. Phone OS is designed for simplicity and is easy to use, offering you a clean interface with plenty of customization options to make your phone truly yours. You get a range of handy features like smart gestures, split screen multitasking, and ultra game mode that optimizes performance for gaming. Now, since I unboxed this device, I've already got 2 software updates, which highlights Vivo's dedication to improving performance and rolling out timely bug fixes. Security is also a focus with this device. You get features like built-in app lock, you get a privacy dashboard, and biometric options like in-display fingerprint scanner and face lock for quick access. Now, the camera is the star of this device. It has an impressive camera setup, especially with its Z-tuned lenses. The main 50-megapixel camera uses a large sensor and OIS, which helps you take sharp and bright photos, even in low light. The 50MP ultra-wide camera is great for capturing wide landscape or group photos. One of the best features is the portrait mode, where you can adjust how blurry you want your background to be and choose from different bokeh effects, making your photos look more professional. In low light, the V40 shines, reducing noise and keeping details sharp. For selfie, the 50-megapixel front camera is perfect, with a wide angle lens that fits more people into the shots. You even get AI technology to enhance your facial gestures, skin tones, making your selfie look great. Overall, I would say the V40's camera is versatile and okay. For the battery, the V40 offers an outstanding battery performance. You get fast charging capabilities too. It has a 5,500 mAh battery designed to last, providing you up to 24 hours of battery usage. With this, you can comfortably get through a full day with tasks like browsing, social media, watching videos without worrying about charging this device. When it's time for charging, with the included 80 watts fast charger, you can charge this device from 0 to 50% in less than 25 minutes. Additionally, the V40 supports reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices. Whether you're a light or heavy user, the Vivo V40 ensures you have power to go through your day. For sound, the V40 delivers enhanced audio experience thanks to the dual stereo speakers, which is a first for the V series. This stereo speaker provides a rich and immersive sound, making it great for watching videos and gaming, or even listening to music. The audio is clear and well balanced, one of the best I've seen for this price range. Now, because of this amazing speaker, you would enjoy gaming, streaming your favorite shows, or even using this phone hands-free. Now for performance, the Vivo V40 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. It's a mid-range processor designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, with up to 12 GB of RAM and storage of 256, which can go up to 512. This phone offers solid multitasking capability and smooth performance for everyday use. For gaming, the V40 stands out really well. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, the device can handle a wide range of games smoothly. For example, you can run Warzone on medium graphic settings and low resolution, which is quite decent for a device on this price range. This will allow you to enjoy Warzone with smooth gameplay without compromising too much on the graphic quality. You can also play the old Call of Duty Mobile at high graphic settings with max frame rates, and it still delivers a smooth and immersive gaming experience, and the device doesn't overheat. It can handle PUBG at HDR graphics and extreme frame rates, and it goes really smooth. For Antutu benchmark, it scores about 816K, which places it in the high performance category for mid-range phones, ensuring that it can manage multitasking, gaming, and demanding app with ease. So as usual, pros and cons before I give my conclusion. Pro number 1, amazing chipset. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. This has 816 Antutu score. It can handle games with ease. Any game, any heavy game, it can handle with ease. Multitasking is a breeze. Pro number 2, 5G connectivity. Most devices in this price range don't have 5G, so it's a pro to it. Pro number 3, large battery and fast charging. 5500 mAh battery, 80 watts fast charging. That's a big one. You hardly find this on devices in this price range. Pro number 4, stunning display. 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display, 120Hz, HDR10 plus. Display is mind-blowing, very colorful, very vivid. And my final pro, IP68 rating, water and dust, and you can immerse in water for 30 minutes. It's amazing. And for the cons, they're not much, just two. Con number 1, it heats up a lot when you game. It's nothing alarming, but it heats up. Con number 2 is the price. It's quite pricey for the price range. Most mid-range phones that offer these same capabilities are within $300 to $350. This is about $400 and something. It's a lot. For my conclusion, I think it's an amazing device. 5G capability, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, amazing Antutu score, amazing camera. The pictures are mind-blowing. The design is made of glass. It's very durable. I think it's one device to look out for, but the price is just a problem. For example, the A55 goes for about $305, and it has everything this device has and more. So if you would ask me if it's value for your money, I would say yes, but there are other competition out there that are better than this. But anyways, like and share this video, drop a comment below, let me know what you think about my review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.